Bathina kumalume. Are they waiting and ready for the fourth lobola, the third lobola? Bathini akumalume. Dumela, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe, Matsapola. The minute you mention controversy, or controversy loves her, her name is Nomasonto Maswangani, aka Mshoza. Welcome to Unscripted.
Thank you very much.
How are you?
I'm great.
This days like Easter Corner silly. I know chorus. What's going on?
Yeah, that's a big song, eh? What's going on? The song is just big, just quite fire. I don't know, I can't stop it. It's unstoppable. It's a beautiful song. The country's going mad over it. Yeah, I'm happy with the response.
Did you see to being this big, coming this far? I mean, you've always released music. You've tried coming back, but this time
No. I've tried coming back. Where was I?
Well, in terms of music,
no, man. I've never tried coming back. I just relax, and when I come back, I come back. I've never missed.
But after all the other songs,
which song?
I mean, we're talking about this, which was the hit song. After and then after that,
and then I got married and I stayed home.
You stayed home. You tried coming back after staying home. The album didn't do that.
I didn't release.
Was it just?
It was just me having fun. I owned my company and my studios. Music was not a priority at that time. But when I become serious and I say, look, I'm releasing now, I do choose to stay home and I do a job like, you know what, let me come out. And I go, okay, I want to go, I keep quiet, let me stay home now. You know, it's a choice I make, but when I put my mind into it, I do it.
Because you came back, I want to Mshoza can be back, I want to the next thing you go back again, we are smiling. But this time around, there is something that you did with the song. I mean, everybody's like, I know chorus. What was the secret? What mixture, the ingredients did you put in this particular song?
I believe when you're doing own music, it's all about what you're feeling at that moment. And I know chorus, I just felt I was in a space super happy and I just wanted to live my life. That's what I'm doing now. I live my life with no script. It's unscripted, like, you know, here. I have no one telling me how to live my life. That's my decision. And I know chorus, like, I will not go according to what is meant to be, how it's meant to be done. I'll do it my way. Why must I have choruses and all the songs? Let me just do it my way, the way I feel I want to do it. That's my life. My life is like that. I do what I want to do it.
The last time we spoke to you when you did a feature on One Magazine, you were mentioning how you're going to be going to Brazil. How is the trip going to add the bombs?
My manager's been keeping me so busy, so I think I'll do that early next year. I'm releasing my album next year. So I just asked me, you know what, my birthday week, can I, yes, I'll be going for vacation and then can I go do this? When the album comes out, maybe I'll reveal it, you know. I went back to my doctor and he's like, no, in South Africa we don't do that. We can't do more than that. So I'll be going to Brazil to do it.
Are you now getting people wanting to touch your bombs as well? Can you feel it? What reactions are you getting?
No, people just look at me and I'm very aware they want to see. I didn't do a major thing, you know. So people will be like, so then it's shop at that bad. Was it that bad? But you know, I never care what people think of what I'm doing as long as I'm happy.
What's happening with the Sangoma issue? I mean, boom! After Mshoza wanting to go to Brazil to extend her bomb, the next thing we hear rumors or even articles people writing saying you are becoming a Sangoma. What was going on? Or were you just caught on camera going to consult? What is going on there?
There's something that we call ikobo. You know, when you're fixing your umsama. I don't know if you know about it. So it's something that I had to go and do. And obviously it was misinterpreted in a way. You know, I'm a God-fearing woman. But that thing, I was obliged, it was a must. You know, I just lost my mom. And a whole lot of things have been happening. You know, so I had to go through that and do it, cleanse myself. And if Twasa or I was consulting, I don't see that being a problem. Everyone has a choice. I have a choice to go to church on Sunday and on Monday go and consult with, look, why am I getting an accident? You know, what's happening in my life? You know.
So we're sure.
No. At this particular time, I need like cleansing myself. I just lost my mom, and you know, in Africans we do believe in these things, and we have people that say no, I don't believe in this. As much as I'm a church person, I'm a God-fearing person, but when the elders say no more, so you need to go do this, you need to respect and honor them.
So after the cleansing, are you seeing Uti Pet the other day?
It's not that it was closed in specifically. It's just me respecting isn't a Sekai and having to do it. But it's not like I was going through bad things that happened.
So nothing bad was happening. You just had to follow tradition.
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing bad was, I'd be lying.
So there is no someone training, you're not going that route. Do you have a calling? Let's just clear it up now. Is there a calling?
I don't know.
So it might happen.
I don't know. I really can't comment on that at this particular time.
Well, you're not commenting, you're giving the impression that it might. Maybe there is a bit of a calling.
I said I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Besides Aina Kolas, what else can we expect from Usondo?
The album is coming out end of Feb. My manager, so January is my birthday month. Feb is my album month. March is my wedding month. So we have our thing.
Let's talk about the March, the wedding month.
So the album is coming out in February. It's called Never. It's
why title Never?
You will know as soon as it comes out. It's quite a personal, touchy, very a beautiful album, very close to my heart. And obviously I've taken so much time recording it. And you know, Mathawe is on the album, Aina is on the album. There's a song that I've been releasing with Stone Boy and Wizbait. It's called Not Sold. You see our personality is like, and say you can all think you know, shows that you can write about it, you can do whatever, but not Sold. I'm in love with Sold, you know. The man that is in my life saying, they don't know you, they can know Mshoza, but I'm in love with Sold, and I don't want anything to happen with Sold. You know, she keeps Mshoza name because she's saying she's, you know. There's a song called The Mathawe that I really, really love. It talks about why do you keep doing these things to me? Why do you keep judging me? Do you know what I've been through? What do you expect me to do? So the song is in Xhosa. It's very personal. The songs of the album are different elements. I've got music from the album, but I've got a lot of artists I'm working with, artists from overseas, Nigeria, everywhere. So it's a beautiful album. It's going to be one of my biggest albums, if not one of the biggest albums in the country.
So are the songs, is it inspired by your personal experiences?
I never write about something that I don't know. I would never write about devotion because I don't do devotion. So I'm that type of person. That's why I'm saying, you take me as I am. So the album, it's either you love me or you don't hate me. Yes, you have to choose. Because even the people featured on the album, they know exactly what's happening with me. So when they write it according to what Mshoza is. And I know my song.
Let's talk about the wedding in March. Do you have the date for the wedding? Who are the bridesmaids? The theme colors, the venues. With you, there is never a joke. One thing I've learned working with you all this is that there is never a joke. There is a hint and it happens. So what date is it?
No, you know when it comes.
The designer who's designing the dress.
I was thinking George and Couture. Though I would like to give someone new a chance to design and all that. But I promise you, we are very private. No one will know about it.
Except me, right?
Of course.
Is there a venue? Do we have venues?
Yes, I'm wedding in Cape Town.
your lucky man?
You can't talk about it.
So there is a lucky man and there is a wedding coming up.
No.
So in Jan, your birthday month, we expecting the album.
February is the album.
Okay, February is the album. March is the wedding.
Then the rest of the year we're performing, we're having kids, we're making money.
How many kids do you want? You already have two. How many are you left with?
I want quadruplets.
Okay. So you're ready.
I'm working so hard. I'm making my money so that I can relax when these kids get here. And also my man is making his money. So we know it's sorted. Everything will be fine. My reality show is called Unscripted.
When is it coming on?
We actually started to shoot in January. So everything, the wedding, the babies and everything, that will be on the reality show. However, I'm not sure if I want people to see my man. Yes, he's famous, but I don't think I want him on the reality show.
So he's famous. She's hinting, right? He's famous. Let's be on the lookout. Which channel is the reality show going to be on?
My management is dealing with that. Obviously, we're looking at money. I wouldn't sell my life cheap. I know everyone wants to know what is she doing, So the highest bidder, but my manager's on there. My wedding will be the most expensive,
How much are we looking at spending at the wedding?
No, I don't think I want to spend over 2 million. It'll be very private. It can go to 3 million because of the guests that will be flying and accommodating and all of that. But I don't think I want to go above 3.
So you're keeping it at 3 million. So for the reality show, the highest bidder, how much must they pay? How much are you looking
No, my manager is on to that. I don't know. I just know my ring. Expensive, can be less than $500,000.
So did you take off the engagement ring for this show? Where is the engagement ring?
No, I don't have an engagement ring.
Okay. The smile says it all.
We black, so we do lobola, we do, and then.
Has he paid lobola? Because already you've got the date for March.
As soon as he pays lobola, it'll be out. So it's better, everything is just there. Same month.
But in Abumalum, are they waiting and ready for the fourth lobola, the third lobola? But in Abumalum,
our uncle said, no, China, wait.
We tired.
China, wait. You just got your money. You got paid November. And, actually this was supposed to be this month. And they were like, no.
So the lobola was supposed to be this month?
They were like, no, not November to November. We can't deal with this. So just get to know each other and think about it thoroughly. We know you love, we know you guys want. We are so protected in a way that even the management, they tell us where to go, how we could go there. They protect us so that we protected from the media.
How long have you been together?
Some time.
All right. Guys, that was Mshoza for you. Expect an album, expect a wedding, a reality show, and more of Mshoza. Thank you so much.
Dance, Aina Chorus.